Whales are massive, mysterious creatures that rule the deep blue sea. They belong to the Cetacean family, a group of aquatic mammals that also includes dolphins and porpoises. Whales are known for their size, with some species reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weights of up to 200 tons. The blue whale, the largest animal ever known to have lived, can weigh as much as 40 elephants. So, how do these heavyweights of the ocean manage to live underwater? Whales have adapted to their aquatic environment in numerous ways. For instance, they have flippers instead of legs, which they use to swim and steer. Additionally, they have a blowhole on top of their heads to breathe. Whales communicate using a complex system of clicks, whistles, and songs. Scientists believe that these sounds may be used for various purposes such as locating other whales, navigating, and even mating. Whales play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. They feed on krill and small fish, helping to control their populations. Furthermore, their waste provides nutrients for phytoplankton, which form the basis of the marine food chain. Unfortunately, whales are threatened by human activities like overhunting, pollution, and noise pollution. Many species are endangered, and conservation efforts are underway to protect them. Whales continue to fascinate us with their size, intelligence, and mysterious ways. If you ever get a chance, watching a whale in its natural habitat is an experience you'll never forget. Who knows, you might even hear their haunting songs echoing through the ocean depths.